Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Fidelity index fund. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. This can be done easily online in just a few minutes. Decide if you want a retirement account, like an IRA, or a standard taxable brokerage account, depending on your financial goals. Once your account is established, you'll need to fund it. You can typically transfer money from your bank account, often with an initial deposit of at least $100, to get started. Next, it's time to find the right index fund for your portfolio. Fidelity offers excellent screening tools on their website to help you narrow down your choices. A key factor to consider is the expense ratio. Aim for funds with very low fees, ideally below 0.1%, to maximize your returns over time. Many investors prefer funds that track broad market indexes, such as the S&P 500, for diversified exposure to hundreds of companies. Once you've selected your desired index fund, it's time to make your investment. Navigate to the trading section of your Fidelity account. You'll need to enter the fund's ticker symbol, for example, FZAKES for a popular S&P 500 index fund, or its full name. Then, specify whether you want to buy a certain dollar amount or a specific number of shares. Review all the details carefully and then confirm your order to complete the purchase. It's a straightforward process. Finally, managing your index fund is crucial for long-term success. Consider setting up automatic investments, perhaps $50 or $100 bi-weekly, to consistently contribute to your fund and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. While index funds are generally hands-off, it's wise to review your portfolio's performance periodically, perhaps once or twice a year. If your asset allocation drifts significantly from your target, you might rebalance your holdings to maintain your desired risk level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.